Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Yeah, done. So today there will be a few more videos following up on this, but today we're going to do working out your own harmonies. So we're just going to do one harmony based on triadic harmony. And what that means is using 1, 3, 5 as our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Great. Here's a little exercise. If you sing in choirs, you probably know this one. Just helps us get used to the numbers. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5. Gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Great. Fantastic. Nothing happened. This is great. Okay, so if we do that in numbers, that's our tonic, our root, number 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 5, 3, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you notice that when we went up the octave, we call that 1 again. So let's just do that again. Sing along with it if you... 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 1, 5, 3, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.